Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Letter B. 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 Bammy. B is for Bammy. Bammy is the best. You hear that? This is a Bammy.
B. B. Banana. This is a ripe banana. And this is a green banana. B. Breadfruit. Did you know we roast, fry or boil breadfruit? B. Bird.
This is the doctor bird, also known as a hummingbird.
In English, we say bird, but in Patois, we say bud.
The doctor bird can fly very fast. It can fly up to a speed of 50 miles an hour. That's very fast. Did you know that Jamaicans really love proverbs?
Time for a Jamaican proverb. Bird will fly too fast, fly past the nest. This means if you rush too much, you might miss what's really important.
Do you know what the national bird of Jamaica is? You've guessed it right. Well done. It's the hummingbird. Yes, the national bird of Jamaica is the streamer-tailed hummingbird. And remember now, bird will fly too fast, fly past the nest. Join me again next time.